Hello everyone. So here we are going to solve this question number 5. Okay. So let's start. And this is very basic question. And by solving it, you will understand when the preferences are same or different. Okay. So this is how you will understand. Okay. Now let's start. This is actually very easy question. There is nothing more, very conceptual. This is actually very easy. But still, I will explain you how to solve it. Okay. Now, suppose that Bridget and Erin spend their incomes on the two good, food and clothing. Bridget's preference are represented by this utility function, and while Erin's preference are represented by this utility function. Actually, if you know the basic of, if you have read the theory of utility function, you will understand this both function are actually represent the same, actually represent something very common thing. Okay, so that you will understand by solving this example. So actually, to explain that particular concept, that this example is that provided in this book. Okay, now with the food on the horizontal axis and cloth on vertical axis, identify on a graph the set of point that will give Bridget the same level of utility as the bundle 10, this 10 and 5. Okay, and do same for the area. Now I will solve this part A. If you see here, part B is similar. Okay, just you need to solve for 15 and 8. Okay, now let me write what is utility function of Bridget. So UFC equals to 10 FC, right? And Erin have utility function of food and cloth equals to 0.20 F square C square. Now, so we they have provided us this bundle. So let's just put this bundle. So this bundle will FC equals to 10 and 5, which means you have to put f equals to 10 and c equals to 5, and found out what is utility at this bundle, right? So utility of Bridget at bundle 10 and 5. So just put at the f, you have to put 10, and at the c 5. So you will get 500, right? So utility from this bundle, Bridget is getting 500. Now you have to find such a point that will also provide the same level of utility. So to find it, we cannot think random point. So just solve it. UFC equals to 10 FC, which is equals to, we need to find combination of FC that would provide us 500 utility, right? So FC equals to 500 divide by 10. So you will get FC equals to 50. So which means we need a combination of F and C that will give us 50, right? So just think about it. So if we think F is 2, so SC should be 25. So this is one combination. Another should be if F, let's say 5, so C should be 10. And we can interchange the position like 10 to 5 or 25 to 2, right? So these are the four combination you can think of. Okay, so to draw it, you can draw also like let me take tools. Okay, so here I'm drawing for one, like take this on the horizontal axis, take F, right? And on horizontal axis take F, and on vertical axis just take C, clothing, right? Now uh, we have to draw like 2F, right? So means 2 here, and 25 is here. This represent 2 and 25, which means 25 cloth and 2 food. Okay, again draw next point. So 5 food, or you can say 5 food, 10 cloth. So it should be like here, 5 food, 10. Next one would be like 10 food and 5 cloth, and 25 and 2 cloth. So these are the 4 points, and this is the utility for rigid. Okay, so this is for rigid. Now similarly you can solve for Erin. So you have to just put this the same value here also in this utility function, and you will find one utility level. So if you put 10 here, 10 square, and here 5 square, you know that what is 10 square, 10, 100, and 5 square, 25. If you multiply with this, you will get 500, right? So you will get the same utility from. So if you solve like 9, now just put this utility function here, and similarly find the condition where you will get 500 utility, okay, for HC. So just divide with 500 with 120, so you will get 2500. And if you take square root both sides, so you will get FC equals to answer will be 50. sorry, so 50 is, if you square for 50 you will get 25, right? Now for FC also we can get this same bundle. Okay, so if you see this is also you will get same utility function for array also, right? Now the same thing you can repeat with part B. Okay, on the same graph, identify the set of bundle that will give us a level of utility for 15 and 8. So just put the value f equals to 15 and c equals to 8, and you will solve. This is the sum process you will solve, and you will get the answer for that. Now, do you think that Bridget and Erin have same preference or different preference? So I want you to answer this part in the comment section. Okay, and if anybody have doubt, he can ask. I will answer it also. But now, by solving this all, if you have understood what should be the answer for part C, so just comment in comment section, right? Thank you.